We had our hurricane special this evening at 7 o'clock. A lot of people tuned in, but for those who maybe weren't able to catch it, what options do they have?
It's going to be on mysuncoast.com, so you'll see it there as well. And we'll be rebroadcasting that throughout the season, too. And when a storm threatens or near it, we're going to show it again. I want to thank everyone who called in and all the people that answered the phones. We had Ed McCrane here, as well as Sherilyn Burris from the EOC Chiefs of Manatee and Sarasota counties. And Red Cross was here, FPL was here, and they were sitting there answering your calls, and I've got a lot of notes here. I've already spent about an hour and a half calling people back to answer some of their questions.
Good. I'm glad to hear.
I'm going to do these on Monday. I don't want to call you too late, okay? So a very successful program. Shout out to our director, too, Chris Westlake, for doing a great job. There are a lot of moving parts in that program there. Casey Key webcam showing beautiful conditions out there out on the waters. And again, that's what we're going to see over the weekend. Yes, finally, good boating weather for people. It's been a couple of weekends. We haven't had much success at that, but things are going to be good for folks on the beaches too, just walking up and down them. Sam getting this beautiful shot here to end this Friday. Another one from Susan coming up from Terracea. Richard, this is looking nice out there, and it'll be the same tomorrow night, so get out there and check it out. Sunset Mike also sending a photo in. That's from the Manatee River, it looks like, or nearby. Water vapor imagery showing that trough of low pressure moving to the southwest. There's an upper level low spinning right here. We're still getting a stream of moisture coming up, but it's not nearly as intense as it was for the past couple of weeks, really. High pressure dominating off the east coast of Florida right now, and that's going to be the big feature, I think, through the weekend. This high pressure will win out and keep our skies rather mild. It will be noticeably humid, though. What we're going to get is a more west to southwesterly wind component, which brings in that higher humidity value at times, but it'll be in the lower levels of the atmosphere. The upper levels not nearly as moist as it has been. Had some pretty big storms today, firing up along the sea breeze front, but most of that was inland, not much along the coast, and I think that will be continuing too. Now, with a west wind, during the summer months anyway, you sometimes get a shower or two in the morning hours right near the coast, and that may be a possibility tomorrow. That rain chance only at 20% though. You can see some of the activity still hanging on in southeast DeSoto County, but most of it's over for the majority of us tonight. We don't expect any rainfall, and there wasn't much near the coast today, although down near Englewood and in Northport and just to the east of Venice, they had nearly 6/10 of an inch. By the way, record-setting rainfall for the month of May in Venice and in Northport and in Punta Gorda. Now, they haven't been keeping records long enough in Englewood to really give us a record-breaking one there, but they certainly had over 12 inches of rainfall. In fact, one viewer said they had 14 inches at her particular location. So a lot of rain, and that's not in the picture, though, for the weekend. If we see anything at all, a slight chance for a shower. 79, still warm. It's still muggy, and that's what I'm telling you, is that we're going to see muggy conditions over the weekend due to that west to southwesterly wind. The dew point fairly high. The high today was 86, and we'll be close to that number again tomorrow, maybe a little bit warmer inland areas. And as far as rainfall goes, no rain to report today, and it should stay dry through Monday. Here comes a front, though. Here's Saturday evening. That front falls away. Now, it'll be close enough to us. It's still kind of hanging out. We may see a little additional clouds on Sunday, but not a lot of rain anticipated. The second front on Sunday night will be just to the north of Florida. This will eventually move and get a little push through our area on Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, bringing with it a chance for showers and increasing clouds. Tomorrow, though, looks nice. A few clouds down again, but I think more sun than clouds. UV index will be at an 11 tomorrow as a result of the high pressure ridge. And for the most part, it's fairly inactive across the southeast after some pretty big storms earlier today where they had severe weather watches and warnings into central Georgia. For boaters tomorrow, it looks nice. Seas running 2 feet or less with a light chop on the bays and inland waters. Here's the extended forecast as we see it. 20% chance for showers on Saturday and Sunday, even into Monday. That front comes down, gets close, 40% chance. Not great, but there'll be a few showers around. Notice the low temperatures will be just a little bit cooler. That's all we can muster out of that cold front, and there's not much to it. There's not many cold fronts that come down during this time of year. Jacqueline?
All right, thank you, Bob.